No.
Who is that?
Because what you're going to do is you're going to tell them that it is my fault, and I'm not taking
Dakota,
accountability.
You need to turn it down.
No, I am really mad right now because you guys are blaming it on me when the suspect is already gone and nowhere near scene.
Right now.
And then I'm going to fight you with that.
You're not fighting
anyone.
First things
first,
turn around.
You better not put me in this. No.
We're done.
No.
Dakota, you are under arrest.
No, they're telling me that I'm under arrest, and I'm not happy with this.
On April 16th, 2023, a trail of debris led officers to a heavily damaged vehicle with its airbags deployed, driven by a suspect named Dakota who had allegedly fled a hit-and-run scene. What began as an accident investigation quickly shifted into a high-tension standoff as the driver went on the offensive, frantically calling his mother rather than cooperating with the law.
You okay? You have your ID with you? Who hit you? Can you get out of the car? I know, buddy.
No, I'm not going to because somebody hit my car.
And we'll talk about that. Please come out of the car. Turn it off, please. There you go. And come meet me back here.
But am I going to get trouble for somebody hitting my
Buddy, I can't even hear you. Can you just meet me back here? What's your first name?
Dakota.
Dakota, please come over here, okay?
I'm just saying, somebody hit my car.
Did you leave?
I'm just saying, I just left the golf course and somebody hit my... No,
where did that happen?
Not okay.
I'm taking your keys. Where did that happen?
That's not okay.
Where?
I would like to have my keys in my cup holder because that's not
happening.
For you to take my car.
That's not happening. What really happened, man?
Somebody hit me.
Where?
Where? I was coming just from... If I can give my phone back, I will tell you the address that I just got hit of. Because I'm literally on my way to my brother's because I'm watching his puppies.
So is there any reason on video it would look like you struck another car?
I need to speak with a supervisor because right now you're suspecting me?
Absolutely, I'm suspecting you of rear-ending another car.
No, that's not possible.
How is that not possible?
Why that's not possible? Because my car did not just get rear-ended.
Dakota, how much have you had to drink today?
I did not have any.
I can smell it.
I'm saying that somebody hit my car.
Who are you on the phone with?
Taking my cab.
Who are you on the phone with?
I'm on my phone with my mother because that's not okay for you to take my keys out of my car.
I'm sure your mother would want you to step out of the car right now and be cooperative.
That's not okay because you can ask her right now and she would say that's not okay for you to take my keys out of my...
Cody, put the officer online, please.
Hi, how are you?
Son, hi. My son is saying his car got hit in the parking lot where he was golfing.
Ma'am, the likelihood of that happening is very low. There's heavy front-end damage. His airbags went off. We have multiple people saying he rear-ended another car and then left the scene.
No, that's what he's saying.
Where is the other car?
The other car got rear-ended and can't move. He drove several miles before he stopped. So we're going to deal with him, and we'll keep you in the loop.
Okay, I need to know where you're at. I live in Elgin. I need to come there.
Okay, we're at Burlington Road and McDonald Road.
Okay, all right. Okay.
All right, thanks. What street did they hit you on?
Sir, I can't tell you because I'm on a golf course.
You're on a golf course?
I was on a golf course. You're not looking at the phone because
Dakota, besides the injuries on your hands, are you okay? The fire department's here because your airbags went off.
Here's the thing. I'm upset because you're worried more about where I am, more about where somebody just hit me, where my new car was, and I'm upset.
Okay. Do you have your license and insurance with you?
I do have my license. My insurance is on my phone.
Let's start with your license, and then I'll give you back your phone.
Here's the thing. I should not be pulled over right now.
Dakota, please give me your driver's license.
Here's the thing. My car got wrecked by somebody else. And you're telling me that it's my fault for somebody doing something else.
You were involved in an accident. I don't want to keep going back and forth with you.
Here's the thing.
I need your driver's license.
You're blaming it on me for somebody for an accident when they do it on me.
You're driving down the road with your airbags.
And yet you're blaming it on me because somebody else wanted to do something else.
I need your driver's license or this is going to go south.
I'm not trying to make it south.
You're making it south when, one, you didn't get out of the car when I asked. Two, I've asked you how many times for your driver's license at this point.
Okay, but do I have the insurance for the other person so
we'll get it. I need your driver's license, Dakota.
That's funny how you're blaming it on me.
Where's your driver's license?
My driver's license is in my wallet right now.
Take it out of your wallet and give it to me, please.
Okay, but yet, do you have somebody that's a suspect for me?
Yep. I need your driver's license, though.
Do you have it?
Yes.
No, you don't.
Yeah, we do.
No, you don't.
We got another person that was involved in an accident down the road from where you came.
And may I get that?
Yes.
Suspect
We'll give
name?
you all that information as soon as we get your driver's license. As soon as you give me your driver's license.
No, I need that right now so that way the insurance can know who
We'll get your report.
contact. Is my mom coming on?
Yeah, they're coming out here. Was it just you today? No one else was with you in the car?
Nobody else, just me. But I need the insurance and the
Yep.
driver license.
Yep. You'll get an accident report.
The other incident so that way
will get an
my
accident report.
insurance knows who is going with.
Are you injured at all?
I'm not injured at all, but I need the other insurance, and then I need the other persons who they're contacting with.
Do you want to see the paramedics while they're here?
No, I do not.
Okay, just hold tight, Dakota.
No.
You can pull up your insurance.
Where you are... No.
We'll be back.
The situation hit a 10-minute stalemate as Dakota remained combative inside his mangled car, stubbornly refusing to exit or provide his license while claiming he was actually a victim. This persistent non-compliance eventually forced officers to abandon verbal persuasion and physically remove him from the vehicle to execute an arrest for DUI and resisting.
We'll be back.
Have fun yet?
Yeah.
He's getting out.
Perfect. All right, let's go off the side of the road.
No. This is not okay. I asked you for the other person's number and the other person's
And we're working
insurance.
on it. That's not something that happens immediately.
But
Dakota, look at your car. Come here. Look at your car. Your airbags went off, dude. Why didn't you stop where this happened? Come here.
Here's the thing. I understand where these are, but my understanding is why did the other person not stop when
What
this
happened? What happened? Describe the accident.
Describe the accident. I slammed on my brakes. This person slammed on the other brakes. This person slammed my other side, as you can see.
Where?
And yet,
Where?
they left.
Where did this
because
happen?
you want to see what...
Where?
Okay, you want to describe where, but yet you can't find the other suspect that they're going to right now.
Where? You're kind of talking in circles ever since I started talking with you.
I'm not talking
Tell me
in
exactly
circles.
what happened and where it happened.
No, this is not what happened. My understanding is that I need the other person's insurance
What
and the other
happened?
person's name
What happened?
in order for me to push this into the insurance company
Dakota?
because this is how it's going to go. Where?
Where did this accident happen?
Okay, as you can tell me, sir, I have my GPS, as I tell you. And from 29 minutes away, I literally left the golf course, not even 10 minutes
Do you know what road the accident happened on?
Yes, it happened on North Main Street.
Okay, and
That's North Main
what
Street,
road was it by?
Which is literally coming from here. As you can see, it clores up to McDonald's.
Okay. I'll be right back with you. Just try to stay by your car.
Yeah, these officers are telling me that I caused an accident when I rear-ended me and wanted to say that it's my fault even though that they damaged my car. And right now they're patrolling me as the suspect that I damaged their car. And I am not happy right now because there's another cop here, there's another cop there, and then there's somebody that pulled me over that are saying that it is my fault. I'm not taking this as accountable because it is not my fault.
Watch me for me. He appears highly intoxicated. All right, yeah, just touch base with me in a bit. All right, thanks, bye.
No.
Who is that?
Because what you're going to do is you're going to tell them that it is my fault, and I'm not taking
Dakota,
accountability.
You need to turn it down.
No, I am really mad right now because you guys are blaming it on me when the suspect is already gone and nowhere near scene.
Right now, we're conducting a traffic crash investigation.
No, you guys are deducting that it is my fault when you guys don't even have a suspect down to half a mile.
Will you?
Right now,
Are you going to cooperate with us or no?
I am mad.
Are you going to cooperate with us or no?
Am I going to cooperate? First thing first, did you catch the cop? Did you catch the person that's down there?
We have the other car.
No, you don't.
Yes, we do.
No, you don't.
100%.
You're lying.
No, I'm not.
Right now, show me the...
You understand that?
You're going to put me in handcuffs?
If you don't stop.
Okay, well then first thing first, I'm going to tell you that you're not going to be able to put me in handcuffs. And then I'm going to fight you with that.
You're not
first
fighting
thing
anyone.
first,
Turn around.
you better not put
We're done
me in
with
that.
this.
No.
We're done.
No.
Dakota, you are under arrest.
No, they're telling me that I'm under arrest and I'm not happy with this.
Give me your hand right now.
Okay, first thing first,
Give me your
I'm
hand.
not happy with this right at all.
Give me your other hand
They're
right now.
really under arresting me right now. This is ridiculous. This is ridiculous.
Dakota, stop fighting, dude.
You guys are rude for doing this.
You want to check his plates?
No, I'm literally going to I'm literally count you guys as the person who wanted to drag me into the grass for no reason. This is rude. No, let me talk to my dad because you guys are the one that are about ready to put me in jail for no reason. And that's funny. That's funny that you guys want to put me in handcuffs, but yet you guys don't even have the suspect for my car. This is not personal rightness, friend. And that's funny that your supervisor is talking to my dad for no reason because they want to make you guys a better person. That's fucked up. So let me talk to my dad.
Stop squirming.
No, I have a right to talk to my dad. I have a right to talk to my dad. I have a right to talk to my dad. Where is my dad? Where is my dad? Let me talk to my dad because that is my dad. My dad is a federal law right now.
Stop.
Let me talk to my dad. My phone right next to the police officer.
Just walk.
No, you guys should let me talk to my dad right now. This is funny. Right now. This is funny. You guys are f***ing funny. That is what I should be able to. No. Oh yeah. What you're doing.
You good, Murph?
Yeah, good.
Hello, this is Detective Benson with the Sheriff's Office. Is this Dakota's mother? All right, well, I was just following up with you. Dakota is under arrest for DUI and leaving the scene of an accident.
The date was April 16, 2023, and at 6:23 p.m., a trail of debris led officers to a heavily damaged vehicle with its airbags deployed. The driver, Dakota, had allegedly fled the scene of a hit-and-run, but despite the mangled metal, he immediately went on the offensive. Rather than cooperating, Dakota stayed in his car, frantically calling his mother and claiming he was actually the victim of a completely different accident. The responding officer didn't buy the story, even taking the phone to explain to Dakota's mother that her son had rear-ended another vehicle and vanished. For nearly 10 minutes, Dakota remained combative, stubbornly refusing to exit the vehicle or provide his license. His persistent non-compliance eventually forced officers to physically remove him and place him under arrest. Charged with DUI, leaving the scene of an accident, and resisting an officer, Dakota's night ended in a cell. Because he refused to cooperate with booking, he remained behind bars until the following morning. Subscribe for more videos and witness the raw reality of police encounters with Bodycam Real Files. Hit the notification bell so you never miss a new upload.